Welcome back, team. Let us start with understanding the template that is provided to you. If you cross check, the template that is given to you is traditional HOQ, and this template was forwarded to you. And open the template and try to understand important parts of our diagram. Okay, the first one you need to understand is relationships, the legend that contains the relationships between the kind of relationship that we are going to give. For example, if you see, for strong relationship we give circle and minus, and moderate relationship we give zero circle, or like for weak relationship we will be giving triangle, and these values are given over here. See, for when for the relationship matrix we will be using those values. Okay, so those values are given in this area. Like if you click on the box, you get the value, you need to include some value. So you need to remember one thing: when you give triangle it is weak value, and when you give a circle it is a moderate value, and when you give minus in the circle then it is high value. Okay, so this is for relationship area. Like these values will be included in relationship area, and plus and plus will be for the correlation value. So 1 2 3 4 are for these four values are given for correlation. Okay, these are the symbols that we use for discussing about the correlation. For example, like where is the correlation? So if you see that this is in the head of the diagram, you will be having correlation values. Okay, so when you click, like if maybe when we don't include any values over here, it won't display. First include all these values. After including all these values only, we can create relationships. Okay, so next one is objective to minimize, objective to maximize, objective to hit target. Okay, when we create these values, when we include 1 2 3 these values, we will be having a direction of improvement. See, when we give some xyz functional requirement, maybe increasing speed, like processing time, we say processing time. So processing time should be increased or maximized or target. What is it? Like it is our target, it is on our target, need not to make any improvements. Okay, so it is on target means it is actually performing as per the requirement. If you want to, like if it is progressing high end, maybe for example if you take cost, so when is the cost is as per the requirement, or you need to increase it or you need to maximize it. So if maybe if you want to increase the cost, you can give maximize symbol, otherwise minimize symbol. So this is about objective to minimize maximize, we use it for the direction of improvement. Okay, so next, these are the relationship values. Legend, like in the legend, we have relationship values. So based on that, we will be analyzing it. Okay. So next, we have target limit value, target or limit value, and we have difficulty that we manually do. Here, you can give values. So some maybe 0 to 10 target value or limit value. Target, you can numerically, you can give target, limit, target, so something like that. Otherwise you can give numerical values also, need not to like worry about what kind of value that should be given. You can give 0 to 10, or maybe you can give target or limit. As it is mentioned here, target or limit, you can use target or limit. Otherwise if you want to include 0 to 1, you can include. Okay, so next, for here, as I told you, we will be giving manually giving the all the values for these demanded quality. Maybe high speed, if it is high speed is the expectation of the customer, then we will be giving our own values. This is 5 or 4, something like that. For each and every factor we will be giving values. Okay, so let us start filling the document. In the next video you will see filling customer requirements. So we start with that one. Okay, right. Thank you guys. I hope you understood this design and how what kind of values we will be giving. Okay, so use this template. I'm using quality of household quality one. You can use any of these things. Like better, if you don't want to include graph over here, we can deal with the graph separately. So better you use any of these template, it is fine. Okay, so like few of you use quality one and a few of you use quality, like in the quality one there are only 10 attributes, I guess. So don't use quality one. use quality 3 or 4. You can use quality 3 or 4, it will be more helpful. Okay, so remaining all are same, but only thing is we don't see any graphs over here. You can include those graphs later. Okay, that's it. For this one we have only 10 attributes, that is the problem. Okay, you are supposed to include 14 or more customer requirements. Functional requirements are fine, but in this design we have very less number of customer requirements. So better we use house of quality 3. Okay, so this is a fresh document, I will be including values over here. You just follow the way I am including it. Okay, right guys, thank you.